Oh, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm glad that you are here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Although we can't be near. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's sing and dance and play. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Grow with Music today. Hi friends, Miss Emily here, and welcome back to Grow with Music. In this video, we're going to learn all about an amazing plant called the sweet potato. You're going to learn how to propagate your own sweet potato, which means to take one sweet potato and make many sweet potato plants. And then we'll get to sing a song together and have a lot of fun. So come on, let's go grow with music. First, you'll need a sweet potato. Organic sweet potatoes are preferred because they'll have a higher rate of propagation, meaning they're more likely to make more plants. Then you'll need a glass to put the sweet potato in. You'll need 2 to 4 toothpicks or skewers to help support the sweet potato in the glass. And then finally, you'll need water. Step 1. You need to find the pointy end of your sweet potato. There's an end that is blunt or flat, and it'll be a little white or gray, and the other side will be pointy. Your pointy end is going to go up, and the blunt end is going to go down into the water. Step 2. In this step, you're going to put the toothpicks in the sweet potato. Before you do that, you want to see where on the sweet potato you should put them. So you'll set it next to your glass and measure, leaving a little room at the bottom for the roots to come out. This is about the level at which you'll put your toothpicks. I made these skewers from a chopstick that I had left over from some takeout. I broke it in half and then sharpened the edges with a pencil sharpener. Now you want to have an adult help you with this because poking a pointy object into a sweet potato might slip and get your hand. So let's ask for some help. Now you have your toothpicks or your skewers in your sweet potato and you get to put it inside your jar. Step 3. Now you get to add the water. And there you go. This is how you start sweet potato plants. Now, sweet potatoes cannot just be cut and placed into the ground like regular potatoes. They're actually from a different plant family, so it doesn't work like that. But by propagating your sweet potato in water, you can grow little leaves and stems that come out with roots. And that is called a sweet potato slip. Then you'll pop that off the sweet potato and be able to put it in the ground. And from that, we'll make new sweet potatoes. Once your sweet potato slips are about this size, then that's the time to break them off and get them ready to go into the garden. Good news for us Arizona folks is that sweet potatoes love the heat and they love the sun. It's actually one of the special plants that can grow in an Arizona summer. So enjoy! First, you have to plant sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. First, you have to plant sweet potatoes so they can grow big. Roo, 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 hoo-roo, sing ho-dee-dee-gum, roo, roo, roo. Water feeds sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. Sun and water feed sweet potatoes so their vines can spread. Roo, 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 hoo-roo, sing ho-dee-dee-gum, roo, 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 hoo-roo. It's time bake sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. So we can bake sweet potatoes, eat them up right quick. Bye friends! Thank you so much for watching our video today, and remember that Grow with Music is something you can do anytime during the week. Just sing a song and look around and find something fun in nature. Speaking of nature, here's two amazing little chickies. This is Wendy, and this little chickie is Sweet Potato, and she's the sweetest, and I just hope you have a great week. Bye guys!